Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the coast, and I'm here today to show you this Waterscape condo A310. We're on the third floor of Waterscape, about 5 doors from the sand. Come on inside, I want to show you around. When you come inside this unit, you come into this beautiful kitchen. It's been nicely remodeled and upgraded with fine finishes. I'm going to show you some of the things in the kitchen inside the drawers and cupboards so that you can get a feel for some of the things that we have. Up here we have our dishes. We have both glass and plastic dishes, and the reason that we have the plastic dishes is because we have grills down at our pool deck, and glass is not allowed on the pool deck. So you can take these plastic dishes and cook a meal with your friends and family and let the kids swim in the pool while you do the grilling and relaxing. Also, we have our pots and pans down here. Our cutting boards are down here as well. We have linens here and some more cutting boards. In here, we have a toolbox and a fire extinguisher and some light bulbs. If something goes wrong during your stay, you're welcome to grab a tool. We have just basic tools in here. You're also welcome to call me and I can help get you back in service. We have silverware, lots of kitchen gadgets, more kitchen gadgets, and then we have a mixer down here and some grilling utensils. I try very hard to stock my condos in a way where you can cook comfortably and have all the things that you would have as if you were in your own home. I do not skimp on the kitchen furnishings because I personally do like to cook when I come on vacation with my family. It's a great way for us to save money, and I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so I like it well stocked, and you will like it well stocked also. On this side, we have our glasses and some wine glasses, and up here is places where you can store some of your things. Here we have pot holders, and then down here we have some Tupperware and some bakeware. Also, don't overlook, this comes out, and we have pizza pan, cookie sheet, muffin tin, and some things of that nature. In here is our laundry room. I know you don't want to think about laundry on your vacation, but it's inevitable that you're probably going to have to do some. So there it is. Also, I wanted to show you in here, we have our coffee pot and our Keurig. So we have both kinds of coffee pots. No matter how you like your coffee, we're ready for you. We have a blender, a toaster, a rice cooker, a crock pot, and a waffle maker. So we are really ready for you in the kitchen. This is our air conditioner closet. You won't really need anything in here except you will find the mop and the broom in here. And this is our bunk room. This unit has smart TVs on the top and bottom, and it's one of the few Waterscape condos that also does have cable in the bunk room. Kids love the bunk room. I also want to point out that this bunk room has a door. Not all bunk rooms have a door. They were not built here originally, so if any bunk room has a door, the owner has added it after the fact. This is our half bath. Sorry the lid's up. We're in the middle of cleaning. It happens. This is our dining area here. We have a bench that you probably may not be able to see on the video. But this will easily seat 6 people, 7 maybe. And we have 4 bar stools also under the bar. So everybody in the family can be in the kitchen together. All right, let's go into the master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. It has a king size bed. This unit has an amazing view of the ocean. As I mentioned earlier, we're only 5 doors from the beach. And this is your view when you wake up in the morning. It's so lovely and peaceful. The water's beautiful today. I also want to point out some of the things that we have inside of our closets. We have a high chair and a pack and play in every unit so that if you have infants, we have those things available for them. We also have 2 chairs and an umbrella. So we do subscribe to beach service, and beach service is 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you daily. We also include kayaking and paddleboarding, and that's free for all of my renters. You get the kayak or paddleboard for 1 hour every day of your stay. However, we also put 2 chairs and an umbrella inside the closet because most people have 4 adults, and so we think that it's nice to provide 4 chairs. So you can take the 2 chairs and the umbrella, add them to the beach service, and you have 4 chairs and 2 umbrellas for no additional charge. You can rent additional chairs and umbrellas on the beach if you desire to do so. We also have a little red wagon in the unit to help you carry all of your gear down. Chairs, umbrella, toys, beach bags, coolers. Oh, and there's a cooler here. I think it's in the air conditioning closet that we skipped. But we do have a nice size cooler for you to use as well. This is our master bathroom. And we have a really nice big walk-in shower here, a nice big garden tub as well, and the double vanities. And this is our guest bedroom. This is also a king size bed. And there's the wagon that I mentioned. And I want to point out also that this unit has access to the patio as well. So no matter which bedroom you get, you have access to the patio so that you can slip out early morning before everybody's awake, or stay out late and not disturb people coming through the unit. This is our guest bathroom, where we have another nice walk-in shower and a nice big tub. And then we get to the living room area, and we're getting real close to the patio, which is, I know why you're here. Everybody wants to see the view. Our living room does have a sofa, so we can fit 2 additional people here. So this unit does sleep 8 total. All right, come on outside and let's check out that view. Oh, sorry. That same thing might happen to you. So here we are on the patio, beautiful views of the beach and a beautiful view overlooking the resort. Right here is our 0 entry pool with a lily pad course. Just beyond that is the lazy river, and you can also see the tiki hut. If you come over to the edge of the patio, you'll see our heated pool on the upper level, and then beyond that is the children's splash pad with the water slide. The pool deck is always busy with people. This is such a fantastic place to vacation with your family. Really, here we are about 100% families. We don't get college groups. We don't get, big groups of teenagers. It's just a family resort. It's always nice and calm and peaceful, and there's a lot of fun things going on the pool deck. So I'm going to take a moment to tell you about some of those. We have activities on our pool deck from usually the first or second week of March through about the third week of October. And those include a weekly movie at the pool. And it's actually, the movie screen normally sits up right down here beyond the pool. So you actually could watch that from this patio, which is kind of a cool feature. We have a weekly pirate show for the kids, and the adults enjoy that too. They're very funny. It's a great show. On Wednesday nights, we have a glow party. And in the summertime, that's followed by fireworks. The glow party has a DJ, and the kids all take their little glow sticks and glow toys and go down and dance on the pool deck, and then proceed out with their glow toys to the beach. You're welcome to bring your own glow toys, or you can buy them here at the resort. They're $7 or $8 per toy, and they're pretty good quality toys, so it's not really too bad of a deal. Let's see, we also have beach bingo. We have a bubble party. We have a rubber ducky race around the lazy river. You can buy rubber duckies for $1, and whoever's rubber duckies cross the finish line first gets all the money. It's actually, we do places 1 through 5, and we split all the money that we take in with the $1 purchases of the ducks. I also want to show you some of the things on this patio since we're out here and I have your attention. We have 2 loungers, and we have this nice table for 4, so you can sit out here and have meals, maybe do an early breakfast. And then over here, we have our deck box, which is full of kids' toys. There's floats. There's usually boogie boards. I don't inventory what's inside the deck boxes, so I can't tell you specifically what may be there or won't be there when you come. But usually there's just plenty of toys. You won't have to worry. And there's our cooler. And those things tend to move around, so it might not be in that exact spot when you get here. I'm Danica on the Coast, and thank you so much for coming to my tour today. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.